Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here with day number 22 for the No New November Junk Journal Challenge. And it is newspapers into pages. So let's get started. So I have all my newspapers here. And we're going to fold them into junk journal pages. Okay, I have some already ripped, but I'm going to show you how I did them. Okay, so we all know that the newspaper people like to fold their newspapers. So I just take them and do this. Okay, and then I take the page and just rip it like that. Okay, so we're going to keep going until we have all the pages ripped. Okay, this one's already done. This one's the last one, I believe. Okay, so what are we going to do now? I'm going to turn these into journaling pages. Okay, I have more here. So I'm going to put them to the side and we're going to start folding. Like so. See? Easy peasy, right? You can do two at a time also. Like this. See? Actually, I have three. And I think it goes faster that way. There we go. You can take these and burnish them. Like so. Get our little clip and clip them together. So now we're going to take newspaper pages and do the same thing. Like that. Or you can, let me see. Yeah, okay. That. Newspaper pages are going to have to be trimmed down a bit, so we'll see what happens. This is going to have to be trimmed. Let's flatten these a little. Put them in a little cubby. So we're done with that. Now we're going to take them all apart. Burnish them to where they're flat. Like so. Burnish. Cubby hole. Let's burnish all these together. That way they're a little more flatter. They're a little flatter. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stack them all together because this is the last few. Okay, now these are the right size for my pages. So what I'm going to do is take one of these, right? Clip the rest together. Take 3 of these. Let's get the board here and the finger blade. Like so. You can also use a clip to hold this. Okay, so I'm going to take this clip here and just use it to hold it. Like so. You can also take our scissors to cut it down a bit. Or a paper trimmer. Okay. Those are good. I'm going to stack them with the others. Like so. Okay. Now the rest I'll do later. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. Or when I go live or do a premiere. So, please be blessed. Be caring. Be safe. Be crafty. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.